Hello, everyone. In this project, I want to tackle a very real and costly problem in e commerce product returns. Every year, online retailers lose millions due to returns, from shipping and logistics to restocking and lost revenue. Not only in this a financial issue, but it also affects customer satisfaction and increases environmental impact. My idea is to build a machine learning model that can predict the likelihood of a return for each order already during the checkout process. This way, businesses can take preventive action, like showing helpful tips or offering better size suggestions before the order is completed. In this presentation, I will walk you through the full life cycle of my machine learning solution, from the business problem to validation, system design, and production risks. My goal is to develop a machine learning model that predicts the likelihood of a product being returned before it happens. This is a strong machine learning use cases because we have large amounts of historical data. The problem is clearly defined and the business impact is significant. Fewer returns mean lower costs, more satisfied customers, and better sustainability. Our business goal is to predict the return probability for each individual order. We define success using two types of metrics. One of them is output matrix, like precision, recall, and F1 score. Outcome matrix, like the actual reduction in return rates or cost savings over time. The most important factors of our model include customer behavior and return history, product characteristics like size, color, and price, time of purchase, such as holidays or seasonal trends, the number of similar items ordered in one session. I plan to use a classification model such as XGBoost or random forest to predict the likelihood of a return. The validation will include, first, splitting the data into training, validation, and test sets. Second, measuring model performs using standard classification metrics. And the third point is running A/B tests. For customers predicted to have a high return probability, the system can trigger helpful messages like size, recommendations, or product info. And we track how their behavior changes. There are three core design decisions in the system. One of them is the batch learning is chosen since the model retrained only needs to happen periodically as new data becomes available. Second, I use a standalone model served via an API so it can be integrated flexibility into the checkout or CRM system. And the third one, centralized data storage is used for simplicity and consistency in future engineering. Like any machine learning systems, we need to be aware of production risk. Bias, if the model is trained on the biased data, it might unfairly treat certain customers groups, for example, new users. Data drift, customer behavior changes over time, for example, during the holiday season. Missing information, some features like return reasons are only available after return happens and not for prediction. To deal with these issues, I suggest regular model retrained, monitoring for concept and data drift, and using explainable AI techniques to make the model's decisions more transparent. In summary, return predictions is a powerful use of machine learning in e-commerce. It reduces costs, improves operational efficiency, and helps the environment. By predicting which orders are likely to be returned, we can support customers better and make smarter business decisions. Thank you very much for your attention.